Hello everyone, our next topic is dimensions of business environment, as in what are the factors of business environment, where business environment is to be divided and in what kind of factors it has to be divided, as well as how it will impact our organization. It all depends on dimensions and factors of business environment. We can also say dimension is also used or can be renamed or can become in exam by the name of factors. They can be asked in exam, that is, please explain what are the factors of business environment. So whenever the question came for dimensions or as well as factors of business environment, we need to answer these kind of 5 environments which impact the organization as well as organization's environment. Clearly, what are the basically dimensions or factors of environment? Let's see. There are 5 kind of dimensions of business environment, that is clearly visible. Yeah, that is, first is economic environment, second is social environment, third is technological environment, fourth is political environment, and the fifth is legal environment. These all environments are generally named as, in the short form we used as in this as Pestle analysis also. PESTLE. P belongs to political environment, E belongs for economic, S belongs for social, T belongs for technological, and L belongs for legal environment. So we need to discuss about what does that mean, what is economic environment, what is social, what is political, what is technical, as well as what is legal environment, and how they impact to our organization. I'll try to improvise and I'll try to tell you about what are they all about. We will discuss about in the later what's it all about. We will discuss from theory also, but before that let us understand what they are going to tell to us. So let's begin with our very first environment, that is economic environment. My dear friends, economic environment dealt with economic environment generally deals with interest rates charged by the organization, interest rates, or any inflation, impact of inflation in the organization, impact of demand or supply, demand or supply of product, etc. All those factors which impact to the economic situations or economic criteria, or which belongs under the economic terminologies or economic industries economically designed by the government, should be comed under the economic environment. These are the examples. Now let's talk about social environment. How does the social environment will impact your organization? Like change in trends, I must say, or values like self-esteem. You need to build your benchmark, you need to set a benchmark, you need to improve your society, as well as your social responsibility to the society. Social responsibility to the society, it all dealt with your social environment, as in these all kind of stuff will help you to identify what is the impact in our society and is this our business going to the good in our society or not. Next environment is technological environment. In this technological environment, we can learn all things about like changes in technologies, adaptability of new technology, as well as impact of new technology in the organization, impact of new technology, etc. As in why we require to change any technology, how we should adapt that, how much resources we require to change our technology, whether this current technology is demanded by customer or not. These all things come under technological environment. Then next is political environment. In case of political environment, we should discuss about all factors related to politics, political factors like decisions in favor of organizations or not, decision or rules are in favor of organization, as well as what kind of other political factors, as in ruling party is doing you favor or as in against party doing you favor, what kind of interest they are showing in your organization, how you support politics environment, politicians, it all depends on the political environment. Last but not least, in this we will discuss about legal environment. So in case of legal environment, we will deal about all kind of rules and regulations made by government, rules and regulations made by government, all kind of laws acts, policies or punishments etc. to become under the legal environment of an organization. Clear, my friends? See the chart. Now you can see the complete chart here. Economic, social, technological, political and legal environment, and here it will describe each and everything. Clear? Now let's understand what these are all about in a very detail. This is a very summary for all these points, all the dimensions. Now let's discuss about what are these all kind of environment here. The all details I must say which should be included in our next video. In this video we had summarized the concept of dimension of business environment. In our next video we will elaborate these all points. Clear? Thank you.